Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Google Contacts and Salesforce. So the use case here is, whenever a new contact is created in Google Contact, automatically create contact in Salesforce. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Google Contact is a contact management tool by Google, whereas Salesforce is a CRM platform. The issue here is that Google Contact and Salesforce don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Google Contacts to Salesforce. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So here I am at Google. And now what I'm going to do is I'll go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow right in your account. So now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you can see we have so many workflows already created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this Create Workflow button. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Google Contact Salesforce. Now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now in this workflow, we are going to integrate Google Contacts with Salesforce. So first here in Choose App, I am going to choose Google Contacts. Okay, now in Trigger Event, according to our workflow, whenever a new contact is created in Google Contacts, we want to create a contact in Salesforce. That is why new or updated contact will be our trigger event over here. Okay, so now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new contact is created in Google Contacts, we want to create a contact in Salesforce. That is why creating a new contact in Google Contacts will be our trigger event, whereas creating a contact in Salesforce will be an action event. So now I'm going to click on Connect with Google Contacts. Okay. So now under credentials, you can see we have two options. Either you can create new credentials by connecting with Google Contacts directly, or you can select any existing credential like this. So here I am going to let it be new credentials, and now I'm going to connect with Google Contacts. Okay. So now here you have to choose the account in which you are going to create new contact. So I'll choose the account here. I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so you can see I have the details over here. So I've already created this contact called Philip Kotler here in Google Contacts. And that is why my Pabbly Connect has already captured the information. You can see I have the name over here. You can see I have the email. You can see I have the phone number as well. So now I'm just going to go forward with these details. I'm just going to click on Save. Okay. So now here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to begin with our second step integration where we will integrate Salesforce and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button. And now here in Choose App, I am going to choose Salesforce. Okay, so now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever a new contact is created in Google Contacts, we want to create contact in Salesforce as well. That is why create contact will be our action event over here. Now you can see we have various action events available. You can select whichever action event you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I am going to click on create contact because this is our action event over here. So now I'm going to click on connect with Salesforce. Okay. So now under credentials, you have two options. Again, you can create new credential by clicking on connect with Salesforce, or you can select any existing credentials like this. Here, I let it be new credentials, and now I'm going to connect with Salesforce. So here I'm just going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your data. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. So now here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information according to our API response. So last name, I am just going to map the last name. So we have the Kotler over here. So Kotler, first name is Philip. Other streets, other city, I'll just leave this. Okay, phone, yes, we have the phone number. Okay, email, we have the email as well. Let me map the email. Title, department, okay. Lead source, other. Description, Google contact. Save and send test request. So you can see we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration of Google Contacts and Salesforce. Now it is time to go to Salesforce and check if we have created a new contact or not. So I'll go to Salesforce. I'm going to click on contacts. So you can see Philip Kotler is over here. I'm just going to open it. So you can see we have the name over here. We have the mobile number. You can see description is Google Contact. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Google Contacts and here I am going to create a new contact. Okay. So the first name is going to be James, last name Patrick, company I'll just put here Infosys, email @gmail.com, phone number. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so we have created this contact called James Patrick here in Google Contacts. Now we'll go to Salesforce and we are going to check if we have created a new contact there or not. Okay, so you can see we have created a contact called James Patrick over here. So please note that this response might take some time, like 20 to 25 minutes, but surely you get the response over here. You can see I have got my contact over here, James Patrick. I'll show you. You can see we can see the other details. The phone number is over here. The email is here. You can see description is Google Contact. You can see the lead source, the name. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration here. So now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. So in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Google Contacts to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to Salesforce. So now every time a new contact is created in Google Contacts, automatically a contact will be created in Salesforce. So we have successfully finished the integration of Google Contacts and Salesforce using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.